What's up? There we go. Beginning of the room. Nothing there. About ready to build the frame. Got all my 4x4s cut and 2x4s. I'm going to build it real high. More eye level. Easier to get under. Sweet. I don't even know the day. I think it's the 21st of September. 24. Peace out. What's up? Okay, first day. My bike fits. Everything, so I can put my bike back in here and get under there real easy. Scoot, scooty, scoot. So day one's done. Got all my train stuff back in here. I just need to get my plywood for the top. It's like $55 a piece. I need like 3 of them. That's where my circle's gonna be. My chair will be cut out and the train will go around you. Sweet, perfectly level. That's what I'm talking about. Perfectly level, sturdier than a son of a gun. There ain't no rattling, nothing. Pretty awesome. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Peace out. This is day 2. Got all my hood on. Ready to go. It's a lot of wood, man. A lot of area for some terrain. It's gonna be cool. I got all my boards. And redo a lot of the wood. Make sure everything is all good. Nice and sturdy. Right here the control panel will be. Over there will be the helix. Around circles. Come down, around, 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 and then go over, and start to go up. And I'll have another track in the middle. And over here, I don't know, big little town, possibly a little town over here. Big old mountain in the corner, all the way down that wall. Right. All right. Peace. Later.